Hi, my name is Kevin and welcome to Fire Monitoring of Canada's Tech Tips video. In this video, we're going to show you how to add or remove a user from a DSC Maxsys Commercial Security Alarm Monitoring System. The DSC 4020 Maxsys Commercial Security Alarm Monitoring System is designed for commercial applications like schools, large commercial properties, industrial facilities, and more. The Maxsys Alarm Monitoring Panel has the capability of monitoring up to 1,500 users on the system, which can arm and disarm the system. You will need access to the DSC Maxsys 4020 Security Alarm keypad and the system's master code. Please call our monitoring station if you have any questions prior to proceeding. At your DSC Maxsys keypad, press the star button followed by 5. At the next prompt, enter your master code. If you do not know your master code, call our service department. The next display will show you how many users are free in the system. This screen will automatically change to the next stage. Press 0 to access the user numbers on the system. Use the arrow keys to move to an open user slot. Press the star button to select. Press 0 on the screen which says Program Code. Now enter a 4-digit code. Use the arrow key to scroll to enter username and press the number 2. Using the keypad, enter the user's name. Refer to the user manual on page 13 for how letters correspond to numbers, or see the description in this video. Press the number key to save the name. Use the arrow keys to scroll to option 7, Edit User Options. Answer each question with a Y for yes or an N for no. Use the star key to change between Y and N. Toggle through the questions by using the arrows key. For this user, we do not want them to be a master code. However, we do want them to be able to arm the system, disarm the system, and bypass zones. By default, the system allows user basic options. Press the pound key to exit. Use the arrow key to scroll to option number 8, Edit Partition Mask. Press the 8 key. Use the star key to answer yes or no to whether the user has access to each partition. Use the arrow keys to scroll through each partition. Press the pound key 3 times to exit programming. To remove a code, find the appropriate user you wish to remove using the steps we mentioned earlier. Select the user by pressing star, scroll to option 1, Erase Data, and press the 1 key. This will remove the data from that user. We recommend keeping an up-to-date record in a secure location of all the people who have user codes on your system and which user spots they occupy. And that's it. You're all done. Thank you for your time. For more information, please visit our website at www.fire-monitoring.com or call us at 888-789-FIRE.